And the other properties I will explain along with when I discuss the exercise problems. Today now we'll start with the exercise 1.1, and the first question is, sum of integers are marked on the number line, which is the biggest and which is the smallest. So here the marked one is -3 and 2. Okay, -3 and 2, we will get the biggest number among this is 2 because this is positive side. Okay, now -3 is the smallest one. See, if we check on the number line, -1, -2, -3, this -1 is biggest number among all the minus numbers. Okay, if the question is like which is the biggest and which is the smallest number on this number line, we can say -1 is the biggest one, -3 is the smallest one. And don't get confused because this is 1 and 3. The symbols are different. This is negative number, right? -1, -3. So -1 is the biggest negative integer. And the second question here is, write the integers between the pairs of integers given below and also choose the biggest and smallest integers from them. Okay, here we have to write the between numbers of -5 and -10. What do we get after -5? -6, -7, -8, -9. These are the in-between numbers of -5 and -10. So here the biggest number is -6 and the smallest number is -9. Okay, so biggest is -6, smallest is -9. And children, I was keep on telling that don't be confused here because if it is normally plus numbers, then we'll write it as 9 as the biggest one, 6 as the smallest one. But in negative numbers, the small numbers will be greater numbers or the biggest numbers, and the big numbers or biggest numbers will be the negative numbers. So here biggest is -6 and smallest is -9. And the second question is, 3 minus 2. Okay, 3 minus 2, the numbers are 2, 1, 0, -1. Okay, like remember the number line and how do you write? After in between 3 and -2, 2, 1, 0, -1. Here the biggest one is 2 and the smallest is -1. Biggest is 2 and the smallest is -1. And third question is, write the following integers in ascending order. Ascending order means smallest number to the biggest number. First question is -5, 2, 1, -8. So which is the smallest number among these? -8 is the first smallest number, then afterwards -5, then 1, then 2. Okay, the first smallest number is -8, then -5, 1 and 2. And next question is -4, -3, -5, 2. So here this 5 is the first smallest number. -5, then -4, then -3, then 2. So this means when we want to write this in the descending order, then this 2 is the descending order, means biggest number to the smallest number. So this 2, -3, -4, -5 in the descending order. Next, the fourth bit is, write the following integers in descending order. Descending order means biggest number to the smallest number. So this will be this is -5. This is same order, children. -2 is the biggest one, and the next biggest is -3 and -5. So minus 2, comma minus 3, comma minus 5. So minus 2 is the biggest number, minus 5 is the smallest number. Now this is 1, then minus 2, then minus 8. 1 is biggest among all this. Don't be confused, this is minus 8. So minus 8 is the smallest number among all this. So 1, minus 2 and minus 8. Here solution. 8 is the biggest number. After 8, 5 is the biggest number. Then minus 2 is the last smallest number. So 8 is the biggest number among this and minus 2 is the smallest number among this. And the next question is we have to represent 6, minus 4, 0 and 4 on a number line. So first we have to draw a number line. Then we have to write the numbers 0 and this are negative numbers minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. That side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we have to represent means these are the numbers. So 0, circle the 0, then minus 4, circle minus 4, then 0, 6, circle 6 and 4. We have circled the 4 on the number line. The next one is the temperature of 5 cities in India on a particular day are shown on the number line below. See here we have given from minus 15 degrees Celsius to 20 degrees Celsius and the cities are name the cities which are marked on the number line. That is the first question. I didn't write here. They are Kasauli, Manali, Nainital, Ooty and Bangalore. These are the 5 cities which are mentioned on the number line. And here the question is which city is the highest temperature? Which city is having the highest temperature? That is minus 20 degrees Celsius is Bangalore. Bangalore is having Bangalore is having 20 degrees Celsius. That is the highest one. Means plus 20. And next one which is having the lowest temperature. Minus 9. Minus 9 is the lowest number among all this. So this is minus 9 degrees Celsius is the lowest temperature. That is Kasauli. Kasauli is having minus 9 degree Celsius. That is the lowest temperature. Which cities have less than 0 degrees? So from this side is less than 0 and that side is above the 0. So here this is 3 minus 2 minus 1. Here it is 0. So less than means which are this side. Left side to 0 are minus less than numbers and right side 0 to right side are greater than numbers. So here which city is having less than 0 degrees Celsius? See first one minus 3 degrees Celsius. Nainital is having minus 3. Manali is having minus 7 and Kasauli is having minus 9 degrees Celsius. Now name the cities with the temperature more than 0 degrees Celsius. There are 2 cities named as Ooty is 15 degrees Celsius, Bangalore is 20 degrees Celsius. I hope these questions you are able to understand these questions and will continue with the next exercise.